The audio system with Google built-in includes an AM/FM radio, USB ports, Bluetooth streaming audio, and if so equipped, Sirius XM radio. Sirius XM radio is included for a period of time from the original sale date of the vehicle. A variety of factors can affect satellite radio reception, including weather, trees, bridges, tunnels, parking garages, tall buildings, and ground-based AM or FM transmitters. To help ensure quality reception, avoid placing cargo in a way that blocks the satellite radio antenna. For more information on Sirius XM radio, go to www.siriusxm.com. Touch this key, then touch Source to choose an audio source. With the audio screen displayed, touch Source, then touch and hold any of the audio sources to open the Customize Audio Source display. Touch and hold an item to change the order. Touch Save to confirm the setting. Use these controls to move through stations, tracks, or folders. In Sirius XM radio mode, there are touch screen keys for choosing channels and categories. To set the current station or channel as a preset, touch and hold one of the preset keys. To adjust the settings for the audio system, touch Settings, General, Sound and Beeps, Sound, then the audio feature you wish to adjust. The speed-sensitive volume feature increases the volume level at higher speeds and decreases it at lower speeds. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.